Why pileated woodpeckers are so amazing and 5 facts about them. Imagine a bird that's as large as a crow, sporting a vibrant red crest. That's the pileated woodpecker, a master excavator of the forests. Here are 5 amazing facts about this unique creature. First, pileated woodpeckers are incredibly powerful. With their chisel-like beaks, they can dig as deep as their own bodies into tree trunks to find their favorite meal, carpenter ants. Second, ever heard a loud drumming in the forest? That's likely a pileated woodpecker's love song. Their drumming isn't just for food, it's also a romantic gesture. Third, pileated woodpeckers are home builders. The cavities they create serve as nests for various animals once they're done with them. They're the ultimate recyclers of the forest. Fourth, these birds are monogamous. Once they pair up, they stay together for life. They share responsibilities from building nests to feeding their young. Finally, pileated woodpeckers have a unique flight pattern. They flap their wings, then glide, creating an undulating flight pattern that's a joy to watch. So, the next time you hear a loud drumming in the forest, look up. You might just catch a glimpse of the extraordinary pileated woodpecker. Nature's architect, drummer, and magnificent flyer. Don't forget to like and subscribe.